So before starting my video, make sure to subscribe to the channel and press that bell icon for more videos like this. Anyways, let's get started. Hey everyone, Siddhant here, and today I'm going to show you guys the review of the BuyBuyBee app. So if you like this video, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos like this. Anyway, let's get started. Now what this app basically, it's a unique app where you can buy tech products with a twist. So first you need to go to the Play Store and you can download the app for free. So just type in BuyBuyBee and you can just download it from the Play Store and install it. Once you've done that, so this is how the interface of the app will look like. So this is the app itself. As you guys can see, we have a bunch of tech product listed here. So what this app basically allows you to do is buy the product either at their full retail price, or you can buy using a really cool token system where you can buy a certain amount of token. Also you can use my referral code to get some bonus if you want to. All you have to do is just select a product, then you can enter the buy group by purchasing the token, which you can use PayPal to check out. So once the product reaches the target of participation, the related buy group will succeed and one of the players will be chosen the winner, and you can see the winner in the result tab. Now once that's done, for all the other players, the token will be returned to the BuyBuyBee account. So there is no scam or something like that. You will get your token back if you don't win, and you can use that token again in other products. So technically you will win sometimes. So also there is a FAQ tab, so if you have any question or queries, you can refer that tab. So yeah guys, this is basically how the app works. So if you like the video, make sure to hit the like button, and thanks for watching. I'll talk to you guys in my next one. Peace out.